Every tool enthusiast strives for a well-stocked tool arsenal that will help them to handle everything from commercial to major home improvement projects. So, in today's video, we'll show you the 15 amazing next-level tools you must have.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Your pool's water cannot remain unchanged for days, even if it is clean. That's why Karcher designed these submersible pumps that allow you to quickly pump clean or slightly dirty water. These pumps feature a stainless steel pre-filter that provides ultimate protection and enables quick hose connection for improving productivity. The best thing about this submersible pump is its auto on-off mechanism, which cuts half of your operating hassles. Place the pump on the rope into the water, and it will complete the rest of the task for you. Every DIY gardener or lawn maintainer will love this thing. This Toughmaster TM HRT60 water hose reel is an ideal solution for taking out the pain of watering plants and big lawns. It's very easy to assemble and comes with a durable design, so you can use it in every weather condition. This garden hose reel cart has a telescopic handle that can be extended easily to increase its height from 60 to 86 centimeters. Meanwhile, the comfy, rubberized handle grip ensures non-slip comfort. Plus, it has a highly flexible and easy retractable hose that offers you maximum convenience before and after the job. Here's another tool for gardeners. This cordless leaf blower is a brand new addition to Woken's tool lineup, and it's a blessing to those who struggle with dead leaves. It runs on a powerful 20-volt battery that delivers substantial runtime for large areas, and equips a heavy-duty motor that generates up to 54 meters per second blowing speed to tackle the stubborn leaves. With a huge no-load speed, this leaf blower increases your efficiency and prevents all repeat cleanings. On top of that, the combination of balanced design and rugged construction gives you the utmost confidence and comfort for time-taking cleaning jobs. Utility knives are one of the most important essentials for a handyman or DIY enthusiast. And this ToughBuilt knife is an expertly crafted tool that comes with a groundbreaking patented mechanism. It supports a unique mag-release style blade changing system that boosts your productivity. Aside from that, the integrated magazine indicator has 3 positions, so you can identify the exact type of blade loaded inside at a glance. Plus, the 5-action ready blade capacity and 10-blade storage reservoir never stop you in between jobs. Cut everything that crosses your way. Although this tool seems a lot like a toy, it picks up the slack when you need to cut something light. These are the Fiskars 60mm rotary cutters that help you to cut a variety of materials with ease. Despite having a simple toy-type look, each of these cutters equips a sharp, hardened blade that lets you deal with nearly all types of cloth material, thin woods, and hard papers. Each of the rotary cutters comes with an ergonomic design that lets you roll it with maximum comfort and power, especially while cutting thick materials. Annoyed by bulky tire inflators? You better check out this Bosch universal pump. It's a compact, handy, and portable tool that comes with a 67-centimeter hose for better convenience. This is a smart solution for all inflatables, thanks to its built-in PowerLite and illuminated manometer. It also features convenient accessory storage that keeps all the inflation essentials near to hand. In terms of efficiency, this cordless pneumatic pump provides rapid 30-liter per minute inflation up to 10.3 bar with its intuitive finger control. Are you a commercial person who needs worksite projectors to illuminate large areas properly? Then, these Nocturno worksite projectors will be a perfect choice for you. They come in a sturdy and convenient flight case while featuring adjustable tripods for maximum stability. Each of the work lights comes with a shockproof polycarbonate tube and strong magnetic base to enable demanding safety and prevent dropout chances. Since these Nocturno worksite projectors are powered by activation batteries, you'll get enough runtime for long-term projects. Edge routing by hand tools is so backdated and laborious. Instead of spending hours on them, you better go with this Makita KF1000 edge router, which is ideal for flush and profiled edge finishing. No matter which material you're dealing with, solid wood, plastic, or veneer, the KF1000 handles all of them with maximum precision. This edge router supports a plate for 43mm clamping collar and features an extraction hose adapter. Hold on, it also features a 17mm spanner and long 4-meter cable to give you the utmost comfort of use. The presence of rust on the metal parts is something you don't love to see, so you need an effective solution to get rid of them. This is the PowerLite laser rust cleaning tool that will give you the best possible outcome in rust removal jobs. Thanks to its fine pulse energy and processing speed, this commercial laser system will always be ready to work on heavy machinery maintenance projects, cranes, lifts, conveyor belts, and many more you can think of. Just hold it for some seconds above the metal surface and you'll get the shiny, new-like look again. It might look like a screwdriver, but it's actually a ratchet wrench designed for confined spaces. This Felo Ergonic K is a fast, strong, and versatile wrenching solution for all your automotive maintenance tasks. It comes with a unique combination of the patented handle and a high-performance ratchet. Thanks to the 180-degree pivoting mechanism and quarter-inch quick-release bit holder, it lets you operate with maximum ease. The best part of this tool is it comes with a variety of standard screwdriver bits, so you can do some screwing too. Metal pipe sanding requires a high level of expertise, but if you have this Razy steel pipe sander by your side, things will be as easy as ABC. This tool is designed for everyone, from pros to beginners. It's mainly used on sanding welds on rounded pipes and surfaces, to polishing stainless steel railings or marine tube work. It's great for burnishing, finishing, and reconditioning stainless steel, even wood. Thanks to its uniquely positioned handle, you can operate for prolonged periods without having any hand strain. Well, it's not something for painters. This laser tool blow gun 2 is built to handle a wide variety of cleaning tasks like car interiors, air vents, upholstery, and many more. With its gun-type design, the Airbrush Blow Gun fits perfectly into the palm of your hand and allows you to position it in the exact place you want. Plus, it has a 50mm wide brush that's substantial for efficient cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. Apart from that, the 170 psi maximum air pressure lets you blast away all the heavy dust and debris from your surfaces. Often, electricians have to pick up a handsaw when they're involved with some installation work, especially when they need to cut pipes or cable ducts to length. That's where the Wiha Hacksaw comes into play, with an insulated body and 3 saw blades. This saw features a fine-tooth saw blade that ensures a quick and clean cut. Plus, you can change the blades without any extra tools. No wonder the ergonomically designed handle will provide you with the utmost comfort, even on the toughest job. When you plan to use your soldering tool in the workshop as well as at home, you won't go wrong with the Hakko FX805 soldering station. This heavy-duty tool generates up to 400 watts of power and comes with new software capabilities, which means you can use it for difficult soldering of large mass components such as high-current inductor coils, large transformers, shields, and all. It also features new T37 tips, backward compatibility, and a new holder and handpiece to bring the most precise result possible. Long story short, outdoor parties or camping trips would not be complete without a bass-blasting speaker. So let's wrap up today's list with this Makita ADR MO8. This Bluetooth speaker comes with a rugged construction and brings your favorite tunes together. Unlike the other regular speakers, this versatile and durable sound station withstands anything life throws at you and immerses your enjoyment outdoors. However, you must be thinking about the runtime. Well, you'll definitely be satisfied with its 32-hour continuous runtime. All right, that was the list of the 15 amazing next-level tools you must have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.